Hello everyone. Today I want to share with all of you a simple methodology called micro moments and how you can use it to focus your marketing efforts on the consumers that you can have the biggest impact on and to improve the performance of your digital marketing campaigns. The term micro moments was coined by Google, describes the specific moments when consumers go online to act on a clear need, whether to learn something, to watch something, or to go somewhere, or to do something, but most importantly, buy something. When a consumer has this very clear needed purpose, it is the perfect time for your brand to be in the front of them with a solution. So, how can you leverage these micro moments to improve your marketing methodology centered around? Finding all of these moments in the consumer journey and then putting them at the center of your digital strategy. First, you need to understand your consumers. This is not a small task because it is with a clear understanding of your consumers in hand, you can do an extensive brainstorm of all their micro moments with respect to your product or your service, and then finally you develop strategies and tactics that are specifically focused on these moments. The hardest part of that process is developing strategies and tactics to get your message in front of the target market while they are experiencing a micro moment. Often, the most straightforward way to do this is through Google search, as your customer is literally showing you exactly what they want. So, if you are not actively marketing there, it's probably the best place to start. But the opportunities from this methodology are much broader. I have shared more details about micro moments in my blog. I've shared the link below, so check it out. Today we will see a success story of Bookings.com when they leveraged micro moments. Bookings.com prides themselves on their no nonsense push to turn lookers into bookers. As an unabashedly direct response focused advertiser, this means a laser focus on turning every ad into a transaction. As Darren Huston, a CEO of Bookings.com, has said of the company's marketing philosophy, if the user has no intent, it's not a worthwhile thing to do. It's no surprise then that travel micro moments are playing a central role in the US growth strategy for Amsterdam based Bookings.com. According to Booking.com, they are very much a challenger brand. Compared to big household names like Expedia and Airbnb, Bookings.com is relatively new in the eyes of US consumers. To overcome this barrier, Bookings.com built a US based marketing team whose top responsibility is to understand Americans' travel micro moments and then deliver on those needs better than anyone else. The new team obsesses over making sure the conversation that the company has with the user, both in marketing and in front ends, is as helpful as it can possibly be. Their marketing communication is all about really being able to answer consumers' questions in the most granular, most detailed, most perfect way. Winning these micro moments is what has helped Bookings.com to convert those customers onto their platform and make them loyal bookers and transform the company from a challenger brand to a leader in the eyes of US consumers. The result? Bookings.com's US approach helped parent company, the Priceline Group, accelerate their global accommodation business. Customers booked 27% more rooms than the previous year. The reason this approach is so effective is that it focuses entirely on the consumer and the conversion and ensures your marketing and your ad spend is put towards the moments when you can have the biggest impact. But it doesn't replace the need to have a well built marketing funnel, as micro moments can take place at any stage from awareness through conversion and advocacy. And they certainly require follow up marketing activity to work. But that marketing activity will be even more effective as you have already shown the consumer that your business product or service meets their specific needs. That's it for today. If you have any questions about this approach, leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching. Bye.